What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today, we're going to go over Jasmy, which is up 0.9% at 1.7 cents, $870 million market cap, 48 billion coins in circulation out of 50. So, majority of the coins are in circulation. All time high is 479 4 years ago. All time low is 2 years ago at 002. Everybody knows Jasmy. It's available pretty much on every single exchange. So, with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Jasmine right here. The cup and handle pattern is still playing out. Did we get back above that lifelong 382 support? We did. That is great to see because it rejected us back here April 2025. It rejected us here March of 2025. We got no support when we fell below it here May 25th, and we're finally seeing our first green candle form above it. So hopefully we stay above that 1.7 area. That is the main area for this coin that I'm looking for it to stay above. Indicators are kind of looking good. They are kind of backing that we will be seeing some more movement above that 382, that 1.7 area. The stock RSI has bottomed out. You can see we had a double bottom take place, and now we're starting to see an ascension up for the stock RSI, which shows strength coming to Jasmy. Top of that, the WTX does look like it formed a double top, and we are seeing some sort of retracement, but rolling over from that. So we'll keep a close eye on the WTX. The RSI is falling right now. What I don't want to happen for this coin right now, or for the stock RSI, is I don't want it to fall below 50. If it falls below 50, then we're gonna have a bad time. But since April 6th, we have been putting in higher highs and finding support at these at the 50 area, kind of forming an expanded wedge type pattern here on the stock or on the normal RSI. One good thing we have going for us here is we're not really bullish or bearish on the MACD. We really haven't been since January 2025. We've pretty much just been range bound on this coin, which is crazy. So day chart, in my personal opinion, is not looking bad. I'm just be focusing on this coin staying above 1.7 cents. If we do continue to stay above 1.7 cents, we will continue this ladder up pattern that we started here with the top in April 13th, which is a high, low, high, low, high, low, then high. And like we mentioned prior, we did break out of a year-long downtrend or 2025 downtrend, which is huge, absolutely huge. That's the main thing I want to take away from this is you had this huge shakeout right here on Jasmy after multiple range bound years here. It finally crashed. A lot of people got freaked out because it hasn't dropped that low since February 2024. And you can see what happened. We bounced right off that 382, and then all the whales bought it up right here. And there's probably some angry people who were collecting Jasmy for a while that sold. But right now, we're starting that nice recovery right here on the long-term fib. We do have a resistance at 5 cents. I don't think we're going to 5 cents anytime soon, but overall, we did break that downtrend. And in the short-term fib area, as long as we stay above that 1.7, the next resistance area is going to be 2.5 for the coin. 2.5 to 2.6, it looks like, which from where we're currently at is approximately a 56% gain. That's nothing to sneeze at, guys. Any percent gain for me for Jasmy is a good percent gain. Weekly time frame, we've talked about this over and over and over. The weekly time frame is looking fantastic. We actually, the last 2 weeks, we crossed over bullish here on the MACD. RSI is healing up, WTX is healing up. The only concerning thing is the stock RSI is nearing the top. I mean, we're not there yet, but we are nearing the top on the stock RSI. So once we get up there, I'm going to paying close attention to that. So let's keep a close eye on the stock RSI. Other than that, the other indicators are looking solid for it. So back to the day chart. The main thing you want to take away from this is we want to stay above 1.7. We stay above 1.7. That is going to continue our bullish momentum, and it will continue keeping us above this prior resistance flip support, which this whole downtrend was 2025 so far until we broke out April 25th. So let's just keep a close eye on Jasmine. Next main resistance is about 2.8-ish. I'm just focusing on 1.7 and staying above that. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.